I'm not pay to win. I got all of this free to play. Do you wonder what? Are you wondering why I have 320 keys? Are you wondering why I have 320 keys on me right now? Are you wondering why I have 320 keys?
Bro, no pay to win.
Bro, I have 320 keys. I clearly bought. Okay, fine. Alright, okay, let's 1v1. 1v1. Accept. Shut up. Accept.
I'm talking. Stop pay to win.
I'm not paid to win.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Okay, do you really want to see pay to win then? Here you go. By the way, I got all of this stuff free to play. Hello.
Wait, pause.
Why should I pause?
The pay to win item. This is pay to win.
I'm just gonna medkit up. Oh my god. Alright, unfriend me, I don't care.
I'm unfriending you, I don't care.
Okay, I don't care. The rage bait is crazy. Here you go, here's a completely random loadout. Yes, I'm not even using pay to win. I have the cheapest weapon in the entire game. I got this from random, by the way.
Oh, you forgot trick shotting.
Why are you so happy? Like, man, you hit one headshot. Chillax.
Oh my god, what the flip, bro? Oh, no, I'm leaving.
Haha. Bro, leave. Oh my god. Bro, left. Crazy. I bet you go there. I'm done.